insurance. One is we want to remove exclusions. You will not be excluded from anything. You are sick, you ought to get services. The other thing is that there is no limitation. You will not be told that now you have done your 6 dialysis, you have exhausted your limit, go and die. We are not going to do that. And we have now created an emergency, chronic and critical illness fund. In the SHI bill, we have created that fund. Remember, the Constitution of Kenya gives a right to emergency health care. We have never been able to operationalize that emergency health care. This will be the first time that we are operationalizing emergency fund, chronic illness and critical illness. If you get involved in an accident, you are taken to the nearest hospital, you are taken care of. At the moment you get involved in an accident, you get to the nearest hospital, nobody wants to touch you because the hospital is asking itself, where will it get money from? There's somebody who said that healthcare is devolved, and I agree with them, that health services are devolved. But the policy of how we give services in healthcare sits at the